is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to eat this Ugly Betty mango. Ugly Betty is one of the Zill's varieties. I've never had one before, and I have a very small tree this year, and it produced this one fruit. I'm not sure if I picked it at the right time or not. It's feeling about the right softness. It's not very soft, but I think it might be okay. We'll just have to give it a try. It is not a pretty mango. It's got kind of lumpy. It's got a beak on it. It's where the name comes from. I think the tree has some visual issues as well. But with a name that bad, it's got to be good, right? It smells very good. Very.
Oh, it does, like a citrusy mango.
Fruity.
And this was a leftover tree we had from a
Yeah,
sale.
we had some. Apparently, it's very good. It reminds me a little bit of a Glen, but it's got more of an orange, citrusy flavor to it. It's sweet. It's fiberless.
It's resinous, though. A little bit of
A little
resinous.
bit, not much. It's very good, well-balanced mango. Honestly, I think part of the reason it's not more popular is the name.
It's a pretty ugly fruit, too, the bumpiness of the fruit.
Yeah, but, that's not why I'm growing it. That's really, it's got a good orangey after flavor to it. The orange tastes like orange juice, like I just drank some orange juice. That's really good.
I'm not a huge fan of this mango.
Really? I mean, it's not a super complex flavor. There's not lots of layers to it.
It's got a bit of a funky background flavor.
Really? So
Yeah,
I'm
like
not
a
getting any of that.
taste.
Isn't that weird that you get it on Bailey's Marvel, but you don't get it on this?
I had somebody, Tim, that works with me, brought me in another Bailey's Marvel, and I ate it at work. And it was better to me than the other ones I'd had, but still I could taste that thing. But on this one, I'm only getting good stuff from this.
Mm-hmm. And I've heard from someone else that they really like this mango.
It's very sweet. It's very orange. It's I'm glad I've got one of these.
There's something in it I don't like, but I'm glad that you like it. I mean, what do you think, Courtney?
I just can't identify what that background flavor
I can't
is.
either. To me, it's a little resinous, but there's something else in addition to that slight resinous flavor. Do you taste anything, Valerie? Do you like it? Good.
That's a 9 to me.
Really?
Yeah.
There's absolutely nothing I don't like about that. It's a big mango. Let's see if it's any different near the skin.
I give it like a 5 or 6.
It's not that bad.
I don't know what that flavor is.
Much more resinous near the skin.
Like an old orange.
Yeah. If you leave your orange juice sitting out all night and the next morning you come and you have a little bit, it's got just a hint of that flavor. I don't like that flavor.
Maybe. That's good. I like that.
But you always drink the old orange
I
juice
like
that's
the
been
old orange
sitting out
juice,
all night.
Yeah, there's that little bit. To me, that's like almost an orange peel.
Yeah, it's like
type.
a twang.
Yeah, I like that twang, but that's. Anybody want the last piece?
You love it.
I'm
You
gonna
should
suck it.
have
I'm gonna take the seed.
I'm
Yeah,
glad
to
you
me
really
that's
like
really
it.
good. I'm glad I got one of these growing already. And like I said, this was we have a little section of our yard where we have leftover trees that didn't sell at sales, and they're getting too big, and we don't want to pot them up, and so we just kind of experimentally stick them in the ground. And Ugly Betty was one of those, and
And they're in a really bad spot of the yard.
they are. But I'll take better care of it now because I really like that. That's to me a really good fruit. So
Good.
Sweet, tangy, orange. Orange is the dominant flavor for me in that. but with a little. And this might be a little overripe, but this is the only fruit I had, so I wasn't really sure when to pick it. I picked it, I think, when I just was getting a little bit of yellow color break to it, and then ripened it on the counter for. Actually, it sat on the counter for about a week at least.
It's got a little bit of that pithiness.
Yeah, so it may be
near the
even a little.
seed.
I mean, you may be tasting a little bit of the overripeness. I don't mind that though, but. Just that's very. It's orangey mango, very good. I give it a 9. You gave it what, a 6? What would you give it?
Like a 6.5, 5.
Probably 9. That was really good.
So in this instance, Valerie and I are right, and Courtney and Mom are wrong. So
Maybe we just have more sophisticated palates than you have. We don't drink the old
We have the
orange
fun
juice.
palettes.
maybe that's it. Anyway, I really like this one. I think if you give it a try, if you can run into it, and like I said, I've got one in the ground, and I'm going to start taking a little bit better care of it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.